Good day everyone, and especially to you, Ma'am Halwam. I am Roselda Mansing, and I will reporting about parasitoid culture in vitro. What is parasitoid? Parasitoids play a crucial role in ecosystems by regulating pest populations, particularly in agriculture. They are organisms that develop on or within a host, ultimately leading to the host's death. This process helps control the abundance of plant-eating insects, thereby protecting crops and maintaining ecological balance. Importance of in vitro culture. In vitro cultures involves growing parasitoids in a controlled environment outside their natural habitat. It is essential for advancing parasitoids research, improving pest management strategies, and enhancing biological control methods. In vitro cultures is essential for advancing parasitoid research, improving pest management strategies, and enhancing biological control methods. Cultivating parasitoids in vitro involves replicating their natural environments to study their physiology and development. Key methods include using artificial diets and tissue culture media, often supplemented with host-derived components like hemolymph or egg yolk. There are 5 processes of in vitro culture. First, preparation of culture medium. Create an artificial diet with essential nutrients. Second, inoculation. Introduce parasitoid eggs or larvae into the culture medium. Third, incubation. Maintain optimal temperature and humidity for development. Fourth, monitoring growth regularly. Check for successful hatching and development stages. Fifth, harvesting. Collect mature parasitoids for research or biological control use. There are 2 challenges in vitro culture. First, the physiological interaction. It is understanding complex interaction between parasitoids and their hosts in Crucial by Thompson, 1985 to 1986. Second, species variation. Different parasitoid species may require unique culture conditions. Application of in vitro cultured parasitoids. First, biological control. Used in pest management strategies to reduce reliance on chemical pesticides. Second, research studies. Investigate host-parasitoid interaction, physiology, and biochemistry. Third, vaccine development. Produce antigens for research in pest control technologies. In vitro culture is essential for advancing our understanding of parasitoid and improving their application in biological control. It offers a controlled environment for studying their biology while facilitating mass production for practical use.